How to fix share my location not working on iPhone. So first of all, you need to simply head over to your settings, and then you just need to click on the search icon in the applications, and you just need to search for find my. Now after searching for it, you need to make sure to go with the location and make sure that it is enabled to either go with while using the application or ask next time or when I share. Now once you have enabled the location, the next step will going to be sign into iCloud. Make sure that you have signed into your iCloud account. Go to the settings and simply click on your profile, or if you cannot see, you will have the option of sign into Apple ID, and make sure to enter your Apple ID and password. The next thing is you need to also make sure to enable the share my location as I just show you right now. Also make sure that your restrictions are disabled. If you have any restriction set up, you need to make sure to disable them. Simply head over to your screen time under the focus. Now once you are in the screen time, you just gonna need to simply go for the content and privacy restrictions and make sure that there is no kind of restriction right now. Also at the end, you need to simply head over to the general and then go for the date and time. Now make sure that it is select to automatically, and once you are done, you need to make sure to also check your network connection and make sure to go with the restart, because sometimes a simple restart can oftentimes resolve these kind of glitches and issues. At the end, you can try the airplane mode method. You can turn on your airplane mode, and this can refresh your network connection. So hope this helps. This is how you can fix share my location not working on iPhone.